guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am actually Little Explorers by Amir. I know you can read that channel and you can see a name called Amir, and that's actually me, and I will be the one actually in the videos of Little Explorers, and my name is Amir Zayan. I am 9 years old and I want to make a channel for you guys, and if there's any mistakes you can always tell in the comments and I will fix it, and if you guys like, I'll always do my best and I won't let you guys down. Alright guys, and I am here at downtown Dubai, Burj Khalifa, just to make your happiness come. I made my only introduction video. Go over here, and it is at Dubai downtown Burj Khalifa. As you can see, it's right back in the back of me, and I've actually dreamed of having a YouTube channel before, and finally it's coming true. So everybody like and subscribe. Hello guys, as you can see, I am right in front of the Burj Khalifa now. You can see Dubai Mall is right on that side. Burj Khalifa is right here, and it's very beautiful, and I came here just for you guys to enjoy my videos, and I wish to show you guys Dubai Mall and another place and an address hotel as well, just in case if you guys want it, and I will post address hotel and Dubai Mall one day, and you guys will wait eagerly, then I can go. Alright guys, if you might be thinking where I'm getting all this beautiful view, just remember that I'm actually in Sahara Souk or Sahara place, and I don't know, but it does say Sahara. So if you guys want to come, just come to downtown and you can see everything that I'm seeing. And you can see this is actually downtown Dubai. It's actually one of the most beautiful places in Dubai, and that is the Burj Khalifa, which is the biggest landmark, the biggest and tallest. That it's a building that has 16,000 bathrooms. Can you believe that? Like, how many floors does it have? It is supposed to have 16,000. And plus, if you didn't know, you might be thinking, sometimes you might think, where does all the waste from the bathrooms go? And it's actually at night time. Trucks will come, take all the waste and dump it into a man-made island. And MR is actually one of the most beautiful places. It is the most luxury places. And guys, if you don't know my channel, then you're missing out. So guys, and you might be thinking, why am I only going to downtown Dubai? Actually, I've been to Qatar, Saudi, I've been all of the countries, but I didn't make my channel at that time, so my bad, I'm sorry. And it's alright, if you guys support me, I will not let you guys down. If you guys support me, I won't let you guys down. And if you guys like and support me and my 4-year-old brother, then you guys will get the best videos ever. And then this channel is all about me and my 4-year-old brother. My talent is drawing, and I love to go travel, exploring. As you can see in Little Explorers, of course we're gonna explore and we won't let you down.